there, Tony. It seems like you successfully snuck into Bud's house. Good work on that. As you know, you're there on the orders of the CEO. As of late, you've gotten real tired of Bud's channel execution. So that's why you're there. To monetize every single one of his videos. Now, this might seem simple, but be warned. It's not. I'll tell you why. According to some of the files here, Bud's been sent to trial several times because he brutally beat up people that had broken into his house, nearly killed them. So I'm pretty sure that if he finds you in there, he'll do the same to you. And if he finds out who you are and what you're there for, things will get very deadly for you. I know this sounds pretty bad, and you're probably wanting to back out of this already, but the CEO told me that if you successfully demonetize all of Bud's videos, you'll get promoted to a very high position even. So I'd complete this job if I were you. Now, onto the elephant in the room. How are you supposed to defend yourself if Bud walks into the room and sees you? So, you're sitting in the far corner of the living room, right? Let me make sure. Are all the lights off in the living room? They are? The only light in there is TV static. Alright, if Bud peeks into the living room, he won't see you right away. So while his eyes are adjusting to the dark, you can do one of two things. We've done a lot of research on Bud's house, so we know a lot about it. As you can see, you have a camera monitor on the coffee table in front of you. Bud has a security camera system that he checks from time to time to see if anyone has broken in or if anything seems out of place in his house. Your first means of defense is the doorbell on the front door of the house. There's a button on the front door of cam 4. That makes the doorbell ring. Since Bud can't cook, he orders chicken wings every single night. So if you ring the doorbell from your monitor, he'll think the chicken wings have arrived and he'll go check the door. Then when he realizes the wings aren't there, he'll forget about you and go about his business again. But only ring the doorbell if absolutely necessary, because if you ring it too much, Bud will get suspicious. And remember to only use the doorbell if he comes to the right door of the living room, as that doorway is the closest to the front door. You won't hear the doorbell if he's on the left side. Speaking of the left side, there's a way you can defend yourself if he comes in there as well. Bud is obsessed with keeping his upstairs bathroom clean and tidy, and he will get very upset if anything gets dirty, especially if the toilet gets clogged. Like on the bathroom camera, which is on the second floor, and it's cam 7. There's a button on the camera that will clog the toilet. When you clog it, Bud will hear that, and will run upstairs to unclog the toilet. But again, only do this if he's on the left side of the living room, because he won't hear the toilet if he's on the right side. Alrighty, that should be everything you need to know for tonight. Once it hits 6 a.m., Bud will go to bed, since he's been up all night, which gives you the golden opportunity to demonetize. Once you've demonetized all you can, get out of there, but be careful when you're demonetizing. Bud's friend Babs knows you're in there, and she will be searching for you. So get that demonetizing done as fast as you can. Good night, Tony, and good luck.
I'll flush you down along with 2013, Bud, like the scat you are. Winston shall nibble on you until you're nothing but bare bones. I wish my wings would be here. Ooh, my chicken wings! This time, I'm not the victim. You are. I wish my wings would be here soon. Winston shall nibble on you until you're nothing but bare bones. my chicken wings. This time, I'm not the victim. You are. I wish my wings and fingers. Winston shall nibble on you until you're nothing but bare bones. Oh, look at the time. It's 3 a.m. I'll flush you down along with 2013
we're halfway there.
Scat you are. This time, I'm not. Not the freaking toilet again. I'll flush you down along with 2013 bud like the scat you are. My server despises you. I'll flush you down along with 2013 bud like the scat you are. My server despises you.
I know you're in there.
Not the freaking toilet again. Ooh, my chicken wings. You just got